I'm moving around the mic to see its exact polar pattern and to see how the sound changes while I move the capsule. Right now, I'm typing away on my keyboard to see how much of the voice and the keyboard sound it catches. Can you hear that? I'm recording on my iPhone 14 with the front camera right into the camera app about 2 feet away from my phone. Okay, so now I'm recording straight into the voice recording app of my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So now I'm recording straight into the MacBook Air, plugged into the 3.5mm TRRS jack. And finally connected to Windows 10, I've got the mic hooked up straight to the TRRS jack on my Windows 10 laptop.